Survival English. Essential phrases for unexpected situations. Hey there, English phrase campers. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered what to say in an emergency? Today's lesson could be a lifesaver, no pun intended. Today we're covering 144 essential English phrases for unexpected situations. From medical emergencies to natural disasters, we've got you covered. Disclaimer: these phrases are for educational purposes. Please be aware, stay tuned, stay safe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Okay, let's begin today's lesson. Basic emergency calls. Help! Call 911. Emergency. I need help. Please help me. Fire. Stop. Call the police. Call an ambulance. Is anyone here? I'm lost. I need a doctor. Basic medical problems. I'm sick. It hurts here. I can't breathe. I'm bleeding. I feel dizzy. I need medicine. I'm allergic to... Where's the hospital? I have a fever. My stomach hurts. I feel weak. Help me, please. Simple location issues. Where am I? I'm here. Wrong way. Which way? Too far. Near or far? Left or right? I'm at the station. Can you show me? Is it safe? Dangerous area? Safe place? Intermediate level phrases. Medical emergencies. I need immediate medical attention. Where's the nearest emergency room? I'm having chest pain. I need my medication. I'm having an allergic reaction. Can someone call my doctor? I have a medical condition. These are my symptoms. When will the ambulance arrive? I need a first aid kit. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Can you help me with this injury? Lost in navigation. I've lost my way to... Can you give me directions? I can't find my hotel. Is this the right way to... I'm not from around here. Can you show me on the map? I've lost my group. What's this area called? How far is the nearest... Is there another route? Which way is downtown? Can you write down the address? Vehicle problems. My car broke down. I need a mechanic. Where's the nearest gas station? I have a flat tire. Can you call a tow truck? The engine won't start. I ran out of gas. Is there a garage nearby? How long will repairs take? What's wrong with the car? Is it safe to drive? Can you help me change the tire? Advanced level phrases. Natural disasters. Where is the emergency shelter? What's the evacuation route? When will emergency services arrive? Is this area at risk? What supplies do we need? Where can we get clean water? Is it safe to return home? Are there any weather warnings? What precautions should we take? How long will this last? Where can we charge our phones? Is there a backup generator? Security situations. I need to report a theft. Someone took my wallet. I've lost my passport. Where's the nearest police station? Can you describe the person? I witnessed an incident. When did this happen? Can I get a police report? I need to contact my embassy. These items were stolen. Is there security camera footage? Can someone escort me? Technical problems. My phone isn't working. I've lost internet connection. Where can I get technical help? How do I contact support? My device is damaged. I need to make an emergency call. Can I use your phone? My battery is dead. Is there public Wi-Fi? I've lost all my data. How can I recover my files? Is there a backup system? Complex emergencies. We need immediate evacuation. There's a dangerous situation here. We're trapped inside. The building is unstable. There's a gas leak. The power's out. We need emergency supplies. Can you send reinforcements? The situation is getting worse. We need professional help. Is there a safe exit? How long until help arrives? Financial emergencies. My card was declined. I need emergency cash. How can I transfer money? My account is blocked. I need to cancel my cards. Where's the nearest bank? Can I make an emergency withdrawal? I've lost my credit cards. Is there a currency exchange? Can you help me contact my bank? I need to wire money. Are there any fees? Communication problems. I don't understand. Can you speak slower? Could you write it down? Is there an interpreter available? Can you repeat that? I need to make an urgent call. Do you speak English? Can someone translate? I'm trying to reach. Is there another way to communicate? Can you help me explain?
I need to get this message to my friend.